Student of class 12th, today we'll do some more examples of the nomenclature of coordination compound. Today we have taken 3 examples of coordination compound for the nomenclature. This is nomenclature part 2. Okay. So first example is that inside the coordinate entity there is a central metal atom CMA. This is a ligand, this is also a ligand, this is also a ligand. So this coordination compound follow the heteroleptic concept. Means in this concept all the ligands are different. Okay. So what is the coordination number of this compound? Coordination number will be 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is 6 total. Total 6 coordination numbers are there in this compound. So this is a octahedral coordination complex. So name for this compound will be written like that. First of all, we will write the name of the coordinate entity. In the coordinate entity, we will write the ligands counting first. Okay. So here, amine alphabetically in the ligands, alphabetically order will be follow. Tetraamine. In the case of tetra, di, tri, penta, these letters, these words having first letter will not follow as a alphabetical order. Only we will follow the name of the ligand actually. Okay. Okay. Now, in case of this tetraamine, tetra is used for the 4NH3. Tetraamine chlorido, because this chlorine is behaving like a negatively charged species. So we will use here chlorido, tetraamine chlorido, nitrito N. N indicates this nitrogen is the donor species of this NO2. Okay. Then tetraamine chlorido, nitrito N, platinum, the name of the central metal atom. Then in the Roman words we will write the oxidation number of central metal atom, and then at last the counter ion, that is sulfate. Okay. How to calculate the oxidation number of the platinum? So for the platinum we will consider as a X. Cl will be -1. So -1 into 1. -1 is the counting of the chlorine, and the counting of the -1 is the charge of the chlorine, and the 1 is the counting of the chlorine. NO2, in the case of NO2 having 1 negative charge is multiplied by 1 1. Okay, plus 4 into 0. That means this is the neutral ligand having charge 0, and what is the number of the NH3? That is 4. So 4 into 0 plus SO4 having -2 charge. So -2 charge into 1 is equal to 0. Clear? So after calculating this we are getting +4. So +4 is the oxidation number of platinum. So the next example is this one. Similarly here, this is the central metal atom, these all are the ligands, this is the coordinate entity, and this is the counter ion. Okay? Next, in this case we will start the naming of the coordination compound with the counting, that is tetra, aqua. Why we are writing the name of this H2O before as compared to the chlorine? Because the alphabet aqua having A, and in the case of chlorine, chlorido having C. So C will come after the A. So that's why we are using this tetra aqua dichlorido. We will not follow alphabetical order for the tetra and di like names. Okay, di, tri, penta, hexa. We will not use alphabetical order for the di, tri, penta, hexa. We will use alphabetical order for these kind of ligands having name aqua, chlorido, amine. That's it. Okay. So aqua, dichlorido, chromium, third indicates the oxidation number of the central metal atom, and then nitrates. Okay, nitrate is used for NO3. So the last example is this one. How to calculate the oxidation number? This is here. Okay. So last example for that nomenclature: central metal atom, that is copper, H2O whole twice, NH3 whole 4, SO4. Okay. Now in this case we will write the name of this one or this one. This is H2O, that is aqua. The first letter will be A. In the case of amine, the first letter will be A. So in this case we will follow the next letter after this. After A this is Q, and after A this is M. So which will come, M or Q? which will come before. So M will come before, so that's why we are using here tetraamine diaqua copper. Second is the oxidation number of the copper. Similarly, we are getting this one, and sulfate. So this is the pattern how to write the name of the coordination complex. One more thing, when we write the names of the coordination complex, we will follow the alphabetical order. We will follow the alphabetical order for the ligands. Ligands name. For the ligands name. Suppose that in the exam, question paper have this kind of nomenclature: tetraamine, chlorido, nitrito N, and platinum 4th sulfate. So how to write the formula of this compound? You will write platinum as the central atom. So now you have three ligands: Cl, NO2, NH3 whole 4. So which will comes first in this formula? So that will be decided by on the basis of first letter of the symbols of ligand. When we write the formula of the coordination complex, then in the case of ligands, in the heteroleptic concept, we will follow the alphabetical order of the ligands symbol. Okay, here in the case of nomenclature, we will follow the alphabetical order for the ligands name. But in the case of written formula of the formula of the coordination complex, we will follow the first letter of the symbols of the ligands. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this lecture. Thank you, class.